Okay, now let's look at number 6. So in a photoelectric effect experiment, the light of frequency is 1.15 times 10 to the power of 15 Hertz. Okay, so this is the frequency. Strikes a metal surface and electrons are emitted immediately, so spontaneously. The work function of the metal is 2.3 electron volt. So this is the work function. Okay, so the first question asks us to look for the threshold frequency. So kita nak pakai formula apa? Bila kita nak cari threshold frequency, kita boleh pakai formula work function. So work function equals to Planck constant darab dengan threshold frequency. And remember, dia punya work function dalam electron volt, so kita kena convert dia kepada joule. Therefore 2.3 times 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19. Dan kita punya Planck constant adalah 6.63 times 10 to the power of negative 34. And kita nak cari kita punya threshold frequency. So when you press the calculator, you will get a threshold frequency 5.55 times 10 to the power of 14 Hertz. Please do not forget your unit. Okay, so that is for question A. What about question B? Maximum kinetic energy of the photoelectrons. So macam mana kita nak buat dia? And which formula should we use? So, okay, let's see. Okay, so for the maximum kinetic energy, we write the general equation first. So E equals to energy equals to work function plus maximum kinetic energy. So we are looking for the maximum kinetic energy, and we know energy equals to H times F, Planck constant darab dengan frequency, and we already know the work function, and now we can look for the maximum kinetic energy. So the Planck constant is 6.63 times 10 to the power of negative 34, and the work function is 2.3. We must convert it to joule, so we times it with 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19 plus maximum kinetic energy. So we are looking for the maximum kinetic energy, and the answer is 3.94 times 10 to the power of negative 19 joule. Okay, so the next question, we are looking for stopping potential of the photoelectron. Okay, kita nak cari stopping potential of the photoelectron, and you must know kinetic energy is equals to electron darab dengan stopping potential. So we already know our kinetic energy, maximum kinetic energy, which is 3.94 times 10 to the power of negative 19, and electron is 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19. This is the charge of electron darab juga dengan you punya stopping potential. So your stopping potential is 2.46 volt. And remember, stopping potential must have negative. Okay, so that's all for question number 6.